Hi, I'm Jim Kunkemuller. You are about to see a video demonstration of Great Lakes Digital Splints. This exciting new technology produces the best fitting, most accurate occlusal splint possible. These splints require less adjusting and consequently less chair time than traditionally fabricated splints. To have us fabricate your digital splint, you need only provide the same records you would for any appliance: upper and lower models or impressions, and a centric relation byte registration. Once received at our lab, a three-dimensional scan of both upper and lower models is taken. The CR byte you provide allows the 3D models to be placed into a virtual articulator. Models already mounted in CR can be scanned into the system in the same relationship they are in on your articulator. Using our proprietary software, we identify ideal contact points on the arch opposing the splint. We then define the perimeter of the appliance. This creates the basic form of the splint in software. The software also allows us to take models through excursive and protrusive movements to eliminate any potential interferences, providing the smoothest movement possible, whether for a completely flat plane splint or adding an interior ramp for disclusion guidance. Even the surface at the contact points is perfectly smooth. Now that the ideal splint has been created in 3D software, a thermoform base is pressed down over the model and acrylic is added. This allows for a more accurate fit compared to acrylic-only process splints. The rough splint is then mounted in the computer numerically controlled, or CNC, milling machine, which recreates the digital design in tolerances unachievable by human hands. The result is the most accurate splint available anywhere. One feature of this accuracy is the smooth occlusal surface of the Great Lakes digital splints. As illustrated in these micrographs, other standard splints can have divots that lock in the cusp tips of the opposing arch. This causes muscles to fire and can trigger the very symptoms you are intending to treat. The photo on the right shows the smooth surface of a Great Lakes digital splint. There are no interferences as the patient moves in any direction. Thousands of digital splint customers have reported a dramatic reduction in chair side adjustment time. Listen to what some of them are saying.
Great Lakes has the opportunity to offer us a digitally programmed, form, full coverage appliance. And what we've just done is saved a tremendous amount of time, giving the patient a high quality product and a diagnostic tool as well as a therapeutic appliance for our patient. Can't get better than this. And all it takes is a Lucid byte registration, upper and lower models of Great Lakes will fabricate a tremendous full coverage maxillary omnidibular appliance that we can use for our patient's benefit as a diagnostic and therapeutic tool.
Great Lakes digital splints have made my life easy. I have cut my chair time down to where I literally just walk in, say hello to the patient, check the fit and occlusion, reinforce home care, and then send the patient home. They're made so well, I can easily say that I have not changed my technique to get this superior product.
At Great Lakes, we know that there is more to successful use of occlusal splints than just superior technology. That's why we have the most extensive selection of practice tools, education materials, and customer support programs of any splint lab. We have compiled information from leading clinicians to provide a patient screening guide, which includes a patient questionnaire, easy clinical exam guidelines, and a findings worksheet that compiles the information and guides you to appliance selection. We also can provide technique guides for impression taking tips, a quick and accurate CR byte technique, and final appliance adjustment. We even have dedicated technical support specialists to guide you through the process, and all at no cost to you. We'd like to invite you to examine all the educational and support materials and videos we provide by continuing on to the rest of this website. You can request prescriptions and shipping supplies or more information to be sent to you. Or, if you prefer, speak to a Splint specialist. We at Great Lakes look forward to being your occlusal splint provider and treatment partner.